My name is Ibrahim. I am from Noakhali.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Bokul Mia. I am come from Norshendi.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Kiran. I am from Kishorganj.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Tafadzal Sain. I am from Kumilla.
It's me, Naim Hussain. My hometown is Kumilla, Borura.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Rafi. I am from Gofurgaon Mymensingh.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Asif Talukdar. I am from Chatpur.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Riyad. I'm from Boirab Kishorganj.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hanif. I am from Noakhali.
My name is Hassan Shahad. I am from Ajimpur.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Adnan Said Chaudhary and I am from Dhaka Jatrabari.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Saif. I am from Chowdanga.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Turjo. I am from Faridpur.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashik. I am from Shariatpur.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Aminul Islam. I am from Chapai-Nawabganj.
I am from Kumilla. My name is Amdi Rayhan Hussain.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Sifat. I am from Shavar.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Asif. I am from Norshendi.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Labib. I am from Chowdanga.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Rifat Hussain. I am from Borishal.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Rahman. I am from Kumilla.
My name is Mohammad Milan Hussain. I am from Borishal.
My name is Ibrahim Khalil. I am from Kumilla.